Okay, so come to the theorem number 10.12. So 10.12 is actually converse of 10.11. Very, very important theorem. Okay. So 10.12 is if the sum of a pair of opposite angles of a quadrilateral is 180 degree, then the quadrilateral is cyclic. So 10.11 states that in case of cyclic quadrilateral, the sum of the opposite pair of angles equal to 180 degree. So converse of this theorem 10.12 is if in case of any quadrilateral, if the sum of the opposite angles is equal to 180 degree, then that quadrilateral must be cyclic. Okay. So theorem 10.12. Okay. So let ABCD be a quadrilateral. First we write, after that we draw. Let ABCD be a quadrilateral where angle ABCD, suppose this one ABCD, that means opposite angle ABC plus angle ADC equal to 180 degree, and angle BAD plus BCD equal to 180 degree. These two things are given to us. So we have to prove that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, this ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So let us consider ABCD is a quadrilateral where opposite sum of opposite pair of angles equal to 180. So ABC plus ADC equal to 180 degree. Again BAD plus BCD equal to 180 degree. So we have to prove that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. That means quadrilateral inside a circle. Okay, since ABCD is a quadrilateral, so proof. Since ABCD is a quadrilateral. Okay. So therefore points ABC. Therefore points A, B, C are non-collinear. And already we proved that through three non-collinear points one circle can pass. So therefore through the points A, B and C one circle can pass. Okay, and let us assume that the point D is not lying on the circle. Okay, can pass. So you just write, let us draw this one. Suppose the circle is like that. Suppose like this. A, B, C, and this one suppose D point. A, B, C are non-collinear, and through the point A, B, C, suppose we can draw a circle. And let us take D point is not lies on the. Let us assume that D point not lies on the circle. Again, one point suppose lies on the circle. That is suppose this one. Suppose this one is D dash. Okay. So through ABC one circle can pass. So let us consider one circle with center O, passes through passes to the point passes to the point A, B and C. Okay, let us assume the point D not lies on the circle, Okay, let us assume that the point D not lies on the circle and D dash lies on the circle. D dash lies on the circle. Okay, so the quadrilateral ABCD is a quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral, given that some of the opposite pairs are some of the opposite angles equal to 180 degree. Okay, so let us, and since ABCD is a quadrilateral, the points A, B, C are not non-collinear, that is non-collinear. So again we know that 2, 3 non-collinear points one circle can pass. So let us assume that one circle with the center O passes through that A, B, C point, but the D point not lies on the circle. Another point D dash lies on the circle. Okay. So D dash lies on the circle. D dash lies on the circle means what? Already we proved that in case of a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of the opposite pair of angles is equal to 180 degrees. So therefore angle this angle plus this angle, therefore angle ABC plus angle ABC equal to 180 degree, which is sum of opposite pair of cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, suppose this number 1, but given that angle ABC already given in ABCD quadrilateral, angle ABC plus angle ABC equal to 180 degree, which is given number 2. So look at the left hand side of number 1 and number 2. Left hand side of number 1 is ABC plus AB dash C equal to 180 degree, and these are ABC plus ABC equal to, so both the right hand side are equal. That means from 1 and 2. So therefore from 1 and 2 we get angle ABC plus angle AB dash C equal angle ABC plus ABC. Okay, since both the right hand side are equal, that means left hand side must be equal. So angle ABC plus AB dash C equal ABC plus AD. So both these angles are same angle. So AD dash C equal ADC. This is the number 3 point. That means ABC, this angle and AB dash C, these angles are equal. To prove, okay? So we just write here AB dash C equal to ABC. To got this one. Okay, now look at the triangle D now. Now in triangle D dash C. Look at these two triangles. This not two triangle, this triangle. In this triangle, this angle is an exterior angle. So angle A D dash C equal to sum of this and this. So equal to D dash DC plus DC D dash. Okay, exterior angle property. Okay, so look at this one. Now A D dash C, A D dash C, this one is equal to D D dash C. Okay, D dash DC, D dash DC, instead of D dash DC you can write ADC. So this one remains same, A D dash C remains same. Instead of D dash DC you can write ADC, ADC, and DC D remains same, not DC, D dash CD or DC D dash, this one remains same. Okay, so you just look at this triangle. In this triangle, this, suppose you take this angle is 1, this angle is 2, this angle is 3. That means what? Angle 1 is equal to 1, angle 2 plus 3, extend angle property. Okay, now but this angle 2 in here D dash DC, instead of D dash DC you can write ADC, because both will inform this angle, indicate this angle. Okay, clear? But look at this one, A D dash C and ADC are equal. So instead of A D dash C you can write ADC equal, again this part remains same, ADC plus DC D dash. So right, using the previous number 3, I think, using 3. Okay, so now look at this one, that means ADC plus this angle take to left hand side, ADC minus angle ADC equal angle DC D dash. So that means 0 equal to DC D dash. That means this, the value of this angle is 0, and value of this angle will be 0 when it is possible, when D and D dash coincides. So therefore angle DC D dash equal to 0, which is possible only when D and D dash coincide. Okay, that means, so therefore the point D lies on the circle. Okay, the point D lies on the circle. That means our assumption, therefore our assumption was wrong. Okay, so through this ABC point only one circle can pass, and already we take that this D points not lies on the circle, but to see that our assumption was wrong, that means that D point must be lies on the circle. That means ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So therefore ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, because only one circle can pass through the 3 points, so the D point must lies on this circle. That means within the circle this ABCD quadrilateral lies. That means not within the circle, on the circle, and the point are vertices on the circumference of the circle. That means ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Very, very important theorem. And last 2 years continuously, I think this question comes in your annual exam. Okay, so again example number 6 is very important. All of you practice all the examples. Okay,